guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie and welcome. Today I'm going to share with you how to make Chrust, but very differently. This is a very fluffy, almost like a doughboy kind of feel to it. If you know what Chrust is, they're also called angel wings. It's like a fluffy, thin piece of dough that you kind of coat in powdered sugar. We made it a little bit different. We made it very fluffy and just gorgeous. Ugh, I can't even, my mouth is watering just talking about it. So I wanted to share it with you. It's the same concept as far as what it looks like, but to make it is a little bit different. So I'm so excited to share it with you. If you like the video, you like the recipe, make sure you try it, but also make sure you give us a big thumbs up. And as always, if you have not yet subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. All right, bye.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed, deep and abiding. Liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and beyond your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. Deep and abiding,